Welcome back to another Python tutorial. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some more things you can do with strings. So let's go ahead and start by making a variable. So I'm going to call it my string. And I'm going to set this equal to the word string. And if you want to make all the letters uppercase, what you can do is say mystring.upper. So we can do print, and then the variable name, mystring, dot upper. Just like that, and that'll convert all the letters to uppercase. So if I run my program, right now my string starts out as lowercase letters. When I run it, it converts them into uppercase letters. So I can do the same in reverse. So if I start with uppercase letters, and I want to convert those to lowercase, it would just be mystring.lower. If I run my code, then it converts all the letters to lowercase. If you have a combination of upper and lowercase letters, and you use the dot lower or dot upper, then it just automatically converts it to lowercase, even if they are lowercase already. Okay, another thing you can do with strings is you can slice strings or take certain parts of them. So for example, if I want to get a certain letter out of the word string, then what I can do is I can say my string, and then use square brackets. Inside the square bracket will be the position that I want to take out, and it starts at 0. So S would be 0, and then this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's say I want to get the letter T right here. That would be in the first position, so I could put my string, square brackets, and then 1 inside. And then if I run my program with a print statement, then it just prints out the letter that I wanted. Okay, let's say I want the letter N right here. So that would be in position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I change this to the number 4 and run it, then it gives me the letter N. You can also take chunks out of this word. So for example, if I want the first 3 letters, what I can do is start with the variable name. So I can say my string, and then you're going to use square brackets. And then what you're going to put inside the square brackets is the colon. So this means start at the beginning. And then if we want to take 3 letters, we're going to put the number 3 here. So what this is going to do, it's going to take the first 3 letters in string. So if I run my program, I get S, T, and R, which are the first 3 letters. So let's say I want to start at position 3 and take the rest of the word. Then what I can do is I can say start at position 3, and then use a colon to say take the rest of it. So now position 3 is 0, 1, 2, 3, so it'll start at I and take the rest of the word. So if I run the program, I get I, N, G. You can also check to see if certain letters are inside of the word. So I can say something like this. So let's do print, and then I, in my string, and then if I run my program, I get true. So what it's doing is checking to see if this letter I is in the string, and since it is, it prints the value of true. And if I check a letter that's not in the string, like maybe P, and run the code, then it gives a value of false. I can check to see if there's certain combination of letters in here. So I can check to see if there's I, N, and G. And if I run the code, it says true. However, it's case sensitive, so if I put I and then lowercase ng and try to run this, then it says false. We can also use a for loop to print out each character in the word. So I can say something like for I in my string, and then print I. And if I run that, then it prints out each letter in a vertical line here. Okay, so these are just some additional things you can do with strings. We're going to go ahead and end this video. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next one.